Welcome to our video, Installation of Stamisol Safe One on the facade. The Stamisol Safe One facade membrane is installed with the Stamcoll Safe system adhesive. Prior to installing Safe One, clean and degrease all metals to be bonded with the membrane. Align the facade membrane with the top edge of the substructure, positioned at a right angle and mechanically fixed in place. Then unroll Stamisol Safe One vertically on the substructure. Where the membrane needs to be penetrated, cut a circle in Stamisol Safe One and mark the circle on the substructure. Roll Safe One back and fix temporarily. Then apply Stamcoll Safe adhesive to the substructure. Unroll Stamisol Safe One again and press with the seam roller to adhere the Safe One to the frame, spreading the glue beneath outwards. Then apply a construction spatula to all bonded areas. If the penetration is visible behind the cladding, it can be patched with a diamond-shaped patch for optimum aesthetics. To apply the patch, start by patching the edges with masking tape, so that any squeezed adhesive is kept from the membrane surface outside the patch. Then, carefully peel off the patch. Now apply a bead of Stamcoll Safe adhesive around the edge of the penetration. Carefully place the patch and press it down evenly. Then apply a bead of Stamcoll Safe approximately 25 mm from the edge of the patch. Press evenly on all sides with a spatula. Then remove the transparent masking tape and wipe away any adhesive residue. Any overlap needs to be 50 mm wide. Fix the next length of Safe One mechanically at the top. Apply masking tape along the edge. Then roll up the panel again. Apply Stamcoll Safe approximately 25 mm from the masking tape. Then apply to the centre of the substructure. Unroll the panel that was fixed at the top. Use the spatula to spread the adhesive surfaces over a wide area. Remove the masking tape and clean up if necessary. Smooth out with the spatula. Done.